gap down opening. Yesterday buy call generated green color candle open, that means Friday market. That 42,993 buy call started, market breakout 4300. Today it's a gap down opening. Okay, in 1 minute of market open at 9:16, sell call generated, red color candle open. Like this on daily basis you will receive calls like a signal in this chart. Today sell call came at 42,868. On daily basis we are analyzing how calls are generating and how it performing in live market. Today 1 minute of market open at 9:16, sell call generated at 42,868 range. The below red color lines are first target, second target line. Above line is the stop loss line. To simple say, it's a automatic buy sell calls like a signal generator. How you are watching the video right now, you are going to watch this chart and get the call. You can place the order in your broker account. On daily basis, it will give calls like a signals whenever the market trend changes. Today market trend changed according to this chart at 1 minute of market open 9:16. At 8:40 to 8:68, our first sell call generated. First target is more than a 100-point range, second target is more than a 200-point range. To be exact, 42,761, that is our first target range. In first 10 candle, first 10 minutes, market has breakout 90-point momentum and market reached 42,771. After quietest volatile, after 5 minutes of market momentum, 9:30 it break out the first target range. Like this today sell call generated and break out the target. If you want to subscribe for this chart, for chart plan detail, you can send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Thank you.